I have found the greatest affection and the greatest collegial dynamism has been with, my goal has always been to break out of the ghetto. I really believe that to bring the culture to the people, for people to have access to the culture, you can't hide it in a Jewish place. You have to reach out. And my goal here, which I'm trying to do, is to be an integral part of the music department and the film department, theater and literature, to bring the Yiddish content that is part and parcel of a much larger American narrative to these other departments, so that when they talk, like 2 weeks ago, someone in the theater department called me and says, hey, we're doing theater history. Do you think you can come and talk to my class about the Yiddish theater roots of the group theater, one of the great communist, progressive theater in the 1930s? And I said, absolutely. And here's this woman, she's a terrific, terrific theater historian. She said, I didn't know any of this stuff. Her classes will now never be the same, because bringing Yiddish content to a general American cultural narrative is what has been missing. And I can do that here. I can help raise the general literacy, not by saying you can only approach this in a Jewish context. No, you approach this in our incredible, dynamic American context. It's one of the reasons my Yiddish radio collection is at the Library of Congress and not at YIVO or the Jewish Museum or something. I really believe that in order to appreciate the incredible value and the incredible gift of Yiddish culture to the American society, you see it within a broader American context. I'm a diaspora guy. I am totally, I wake up in the morning and I'm a diaspora guy. So, and that's what we have here. We thrive in the diaspora.